Skillbyte here, and this video is going to be an unboxing of my Groove Life belts. I ordered the black one and the brown one, and I got a mystery ring. So yes, we'll see what kind of ring it ends up being. So you can see the belts. Oh, there's the black one. Looks good. There we go. Okay, that's how it works. I had no idea how it worked. There it is. And it is a little bit stretchy. And you got the brown belt. I'm hoping I like that. Looks good. I'm hoping these will look good with slacks and a button up also. And this does move wherever you want it. So this looks like black with the front face being brown. That's a good look. Okay, so those are the belts. Now we have the mystery ring. So Groove Life makes rings. They have several rings. You can look at their webpage to see them. But you can buy a mystery ring where you give them the size you want. And you can do original or thin on a lot of the rings. And it's at a discounted price, but it's just a random ring of that size. So you don't know what you're getting. Well, I went ahead and got one. So what did I get? Please be good, please be good. All right, I got a green ring. All right, so I don't normally wear rings, and I don't normally wear my wedding ring because I find it to be annoying. I'm hoping that maybe I don't know if it's silicone or exactly what it's made out of, might be less annoying. Guess we'll find out. But there it is, green. All right, well, there's your unboxing video. I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with your order.